Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a side project Saturday. You know, it's a weekend for us here in real time. For you guys over on YouTube, I mean, I don't know what time it is. But today we got Big Brother Seth's car over here. His little R32. Another rare breed. You know, this is just his daily. His Talon, his DSM's at his house in pieces. But today we got to replace, was it the coolant temp sensor?
Yeah, coolant temp sensor went out, throwing an engine code.
So yeah, coolant temp sensor went out, throwing an engine code. So obviously, you know, you guys are familiar with the Colorado emission stuff. You can't have a check engine light when you go get emissions. So this is going to be a first time wrenching on this car. So we'll see how it goes. Just got to swap a quick sensor, but apparently it's down underneath some stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting, but hopefully it goes smooth. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. And then yeah, we're gonna bring you guys along for the journey, man. So you know what time it is. TL time. Touch DSD. Check back in here in a little bit, guys. Alright, this is moving along a lot faster than I thought. If you can see if I zoom in here, it's down there in the dark. Just get the flashlight on it. You guys, ooh, see that hole I'm pointing at pretty much right there in the block? It's kind of hard to see. But yeah, the coolant temp sensor is right there. We got to take off this little motor mount bracket, or motor lift bracket. That wasn't too bad. And I'm pulling off like this little actuator that bolts to the intake manifold. So already got the old one out ish, maybe. Oh, we're still trying to unclip it and then slap the new one in. So I wasn't sure what this was going to take, how hard it was going to be, but it's pretty simple. So we're knocking it out. Alright, it was a lot quicker than we thought it was going to be. You know, usually these European cars are a pain in the ass to work on, but it's that little actuator, little motor mount bracket, lifting, got that sensor, the new one back in there, pretty much topped it off with coolant. Just got to get it lowered back on the ground, burp it, and let it idle, make sure we get all the air out of the system and stuff, make sure it obviously doesn't overheat. You may have to go pick up another gallon of coolant because you only snagged one. But yeah, fast little project there on the R32. So like I said, we'll get this thing dropped on the ground and we should be good. Hopefully the check engine light stays off and hopefully we'll get emissions on it and get his own actual plates and shit on it. So you guys watch the video, appreciate you guys watching, enjoyed it. Like I said, over here in NESFAB, always tinkering around on stuff. So the DSMs, Galants, R32s, you know, do all my own work, baby.
We got some Hondas too, some other garages.
Yeah, he's got a Honda.
We got some pit bikes that with nitrous going on right now.
Yeah, got this little pocket bike I used to mob at Bandamere before I got the electric scooters. You know, it's getting a little tiny now. I might end up selling that thing. It's just sitting around. Anyways, again, appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, all that good stuff. Catch you guys on the next one.